Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel after like 4 or 5 weeks. My name's Rachel and I'm really glad that you're watching my channel. Might as well just explain my absence. I'm super involved in school. I think it's really fun to be. It's great. If you can do it, you should do it. And last month, I had a crazy month of competitions. I'm part of Model UN, Model Congress, soccer, so everything kind of happened at once, but some exciting news. I actually won Model Congress. I won first place out of like 300 people, me and another guy, and so that was super exciting. I just want to share because, like, why not? Be proud of yourself, am I right? Some people may call it conceited, may call it arrogant, but I call it being proud of yourself. In all seriousness, unless you're living under a rock right now, everyone knows about coronavirus, and it happens to be my school just canceled today and tomorrow. I may have school Monday. It's up in the air right now. As of now, yes, but like, we'll see what happens. I know a lot of people who are under quarantine, a lot of people who are just really scared right now. Oh, my school just canceled through next week. Everything just kind of up in the air right now, so I figured, why not make a video about how to keep yourself entertained or just relaxed during this time of people not knowing what to do. I decided to do what I do best and make a list. So together, we're gonna come up with a bunch of fun ideas in order to keep ourselves entertained. Grab a pen and paper, and we're gonna start with a list. Okay, I think it's a really great time to accomplish a few things you haven't gotten to yet because of school, work, previous engagements, anything like that. So number one is organizing my room / my closet. It is like the middle of March and it happened to get really warm where I live recently, so I'm gonna try to switch over my closets, take out those big chunky sweaters that are destroying my closet because there's just no space for my clothes. And now number two, I'm actually gonna put out, there's this recipe my cousin made for me. It's like these ciabatta sandwiches. He made it from scratch. It was so good. Holden, if you're watching this, I still think about those. And he sent me the recipe, and it was back in September, and I really want to make those, and I feel like maybe I'll have time. So for number three, I think this is really a great time to maybe pick up a new skill. Learning a new skill could be all of these skills. Just whatever you want it to be. Just go crazy. Try new things. If you've had Duolingo downloaded on your phone for like a year and a half already and you want to learn French, why not do it now? I'm going to learn to play a song on the guitar because I used to play guitar and I don't anymore. And why not? Number four, this is specifically for, juniors, sophomores if you're ambitious, freshmen if you're like crazy. Study for the SATs or ACTs. I'm taking the ACT. I just gotta study. 5 may seem obvious to some people, but other people wouldn't think about this. Just indulge in some self-care. That could be doing a face mask, that could be sleeping 8 hours, that could be, whatever it is. Just try to take care of yourself, because if you're gonna be stuck at home, you might as well watch that episode, that season, that show, that movie that you've been kind of holding off on, especially if you want to do it with a friend. There's this really cool extension I discovered called Netflix Party. I'm going to test it out with my friends. And basically what it is, you download the extension, send the link to someone, and then you have like a chat window, and the video starts playing at the same time, and then you get to watch with other people. And especially this really is helpful if you're like in quarantine or stuff like that, because you still get to be with your friends, because it gets to be lonely even though my entire family's home. Like, I can't spend that much time with them. Not gonna lie, this one's gonna kind of sound annoying, but you should exercise. You have time. In your house, you're not going to be moving as much as you would be, or you're not going to be as active as you typically would. So maybe just start with like 5, 7, 10-minute workouts that are for different levels, and it's really good. Just a good way to get your body moving and keep you energized. This is kind of similar to, learn a new skill, but I think this is work on some of the skills you have. Like, I love to do makeup. I think it's so fun, but I really want to try like one of those super intense, like guru type looks, like one of those that people go viral for. Like, I want to try one of those. Imagine me just showing up to online class with a rainbow on my face. Like, that's kind of fun, not gonna lie. So kind of also similar to my first one, except we're in spring cleaning season, everyone, and it would feel so good if you just had not organized items but clean items. Like, this is what my blush brush looks like. It's disgusting. My powder brush is the color of my powder. Don't even get me started on my beauty blend. This is disgusting, people, okay? This is the color of my concealer. Why not wash that? Like, wipe out my desk, vacuum my room. I'm gonna just, like, clean out the crevices of my room. My sister broke a light bulb, so I have to go clean it up. Clean up the kitchen cabinets. My mom keeps begging me to organize the kitchen, so, like, maybe I'll do that now. Like, deep clean. Okay, number 10. This is kind of super fun. It will keep you entertained a few times if you do it. But what you gotta do is you go to your closet and you put together an outfit that you wouldn't necessarily think of, or like you want to wear but you feel uncomfortable wearing. So like I did that today. I'm wearing this like t-shirt that I love. I got it from Zara on sale, and then I'm wearing a black mesh shirt under, and I think it looks really cute, really cool. But I don't know if I would wear it in public because I'm like kind of super self-conscious, but wearing it on camera is kind of wearing it on public. So like let me know what you think. Went to my closet, I saw these two pieces. I'm like, I really want this mesh shirt, and like I know how I want to style it, so just do it. Or like come up with crazy outfit combinations, go to your siblings' closets and do it. Kind of just have fun and explore your creativity. Really cool app and website that I'm gonna link down below for you guys. It's called Shop Look, and basically you can design your own outfits. Like they have thousands upon thousands of different pieces: shirts, skirts, pants, dresses, accessories, boots, hats, everything you can think of. And you type in like the type of clothing that you're looking for, and you can put together an outfit virtually, and they'll tell you where to buy it. You can look through other people's outfits, other people's designs. You can participate in competitions. It's really cool. Number 11 is actually going to be making more YouTube videos because I did slack a lot this month and it's been a while. But for you guys, that could just be a project you want to work on. You know, for me, YouTube is really fun. Like for me, I'm working on this specific project, so you guys find a project that you're super passionate about, work about it. Make sure it's a project that you can do remotely from your house, be it writing a book or with an art portfolio, you know, trying to get TikTok famous. Work on a project that you've been thinking about for a while, and just use this opportunity to get jump started, because just because you're physically stuck at home doesn't mean you create stuck at home in a creative mindset. You should be exploring, use the internet. It's amazing what's out there. Start an organization, do whatever you want, but just have fun. Yeah, that is my YouTube video. Everyone stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other suggestions to do. Let me know what other types of videos you want to see. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!